When was the last time you changed your engine oil in your Ariens Sno-Thro? It should be done at least once per year, but depending on use, it might need to be done multiple times throughout the season. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to do the oil change procedure on an Ariens Professional Series unit while following along with the instructions in the engine manual. But even if you don't have a Professional Series unit, follow along anyways because the oil change procedure is very similar between Ariens Sno-Thro models. And before we start, we're going to remember to reread the safety information in the engine manual as well as the operator's manual and make sure that we have the right personal protective equipment to do the job.
Run the engine for a couple minutes to warm the oil in your Sno-Thro. Then, stop the engine and move the unit to an open, well-ventilated area and onto a flat surface. Remove the key from the engine and wait a few minutes for the engine to cool. Lightly touch the valve cover to ensure the engine has cooled, then disconnect the spark plug wire from the spark plug. Locate the engine oil drain plug and position a suitable container below the end of the oil drain tube. Position a wrench around the flat surfaces of the oil drain tube to help prevent the tube from rotating while loosening the drain plug at the end of the tube. Don't completely remove the drain plug, just loosen it enough so it can be removed with your fingers. Ensure the oil drain pan is directly below the end of the oil drain tube. Then remove the drain plug from the drain tube and allow the engine oil to drain. To accelerate oil drain, slowly and carefully tip the unit back and hold its position until oil has completely drained from the unit. Once the oil has stopped draining from the drain tube, wipe the threads of the drain tube with a clean shop towel or rag and reinstall the drain plug until finger tight. Hold the position of the oil drain tube with a wrench and tighten the oil drain plug at the end of the tube. Tighten the drain plug just enough until you feel a sudden increase of resistance while tightening the plug. Be careful not to over-tighten and strip the drain plug. Carefully remove the oil drain pan from the work area. Remove the dipstick from the engine oil fill port, wipe clean, and set aside. Wipe all dirt and debris from the funnel with a clean shop towel or rag and insert the funnel into the oil fill port. Verify the oil type and quantity to add to the engine as specified in the engine manual. Then, remove the cap from the oil container, hold the position of the funnel, and slowly pour the oil into the funnel. Remove the funnel from the engine oil fill port and wipe clean with a shop towel or rag. Then, reinstall the dipstick. Remove the dipstick from the engine oil fill port and verify the oil level is within the range as noted by the markings on your dipstick and the details in your engine manual. If oil level is too low, add oil. Reconnect the spark plug wire to the spark plug.
And just minutes later, you're all done. And though it's a quick procedure, engine oil changes are crucial for preserving the life of your Ariens Sno-Thro. The engine's the power plant to your Sno-Thro, and you need to treat it right and keep up to date with maintenance. For engine oil weights, types, and specifications, as well as the engine oil change procedure, refer to the engine manual for your unit. If you need help or need assistance sourcing oil for your Sno-Thro, you can visit your local Ariens dealer, or you can find the oil at parts.ariens.com.